guys hear the noise? I don't know if that's okay. Is that okay? Just like sometimes it's like orange a little bit. I'm sure I'll be worried about that. And then the next thing is, you hear the noise? I think the noise is from this here, the bearing here, the rubber. So if I press this, you hear that? It's quieter, right? See that? So what should I do with this? Should I like put something here on the, that? There's no noise. Should I take this out, this screw out, and then like get a new like washer or like rubber over here? Because it's obviously, if I press this, the sound kind of disappears, right? So I think it has something just with the rubber. So if I just press the rubber, it's like disappear. Hear that? Okay, let me guys, what do you think? But I think I have to probably like put something new rubber over here, or something like another like kind of a, like just to dampen the vibration. I think it's because of the vibration of this thing. It vibrates. Because if I pressed it, from the top, it's from here. Because if I press it from here, it doesn't make any difference, right? I'm pushing a upward force. Well, you cannot hear it too, but this one seems to be more. Yeah, I don't know, let me guess what you think. What should I do? And then about the flame too. Is that a healthy flame? It's kind of blue, but I can hear once in a while there's like a reddish thing also going there. Right? See that? Orange. Should that be something to worry about? I mean, there's nothing like cracking underneath here that I should be worried. I mean, okay, so it seems to be okay. Now you can really hear the noise there. It's very obvious.